Hey guys, so guess what time it is? It is Mom Box time. I know we have a lot of new people here, so if you haven't been around long, let me explain what a Mom Box is. My mom lives in the Midwest. I live in Arizona. Where I live in Arizona, it's not the best for thrifting and antiquing and all that. My mom is the garage sale thrift store queen, and she totally knows all the stuff that I like, and so she goes out and procures all these awesome things for me and sends them in a large flat rate priority box, and then I open it up on camera and share with you guys because it's so much fun to see what mom puts in the box, because we don't ever know. We don't know. Okay, so here are some, getting started right away. These, she said, these papers are from that storage unit neighbor emptied. So they're just handwritten papers. They're not super old, but she asked if I wanted them, and I said sure, because, you know, handwritten paper, that's fun. Can always use it for gel printing or whatever, you know, but it's always interesting. We've got some cute little floral stickers. Sorry about the light. It's a little harsh coming in that window in the afternoon. Another floral sticker. We've got, oh my goodness, look at the bias tapes. Ugh. I gotta fix this glare. Hang on, let's see if we move this direction, if it's better. Sorry, hope I didn't make anybody nauseous. All the bias tape, new in package. And these are 25 cents, so you know it's old. 10 cents, 25 cents. So cute. We love that. Aww. Not a full bag, but was looking to fill some weird empty spaces in this box. So she sent me wild rice. Do you guys eat wild rice? I love it especially in soups. I make a chicken wild rice soup. But you know, it's super expensive here in Arizona, but in Minnesota it's not so bad. So mom sends it to me, which is awesome. More bias tape. You guys look at this one. How, the glare is killing me. How cute is that? So cute. Okay. We've got some of these. You recognize those? These are the little containers that we make itty bitty ephemera packs in, which I'm hoping to have some made for the next sale. I'm hoping to have a lot of things made for the next sale. Next sale is July 7th. And as you know, I do have 49 journals made, plus 49 itty bitty journals. So that part's done. I am working on scrappy tags. So then I'm hoping to do some extra just itty bitty journals that can be bought separately. Itty bitty ephemera kits, regular ephemera kits. I don't know, anything else I can get done before July 7th, depending on the energy level, I guess. There's some newspaper, you know, just wadded up, but I always feel like I have to check everything because sometimes she puts the smallest thing in, you know. For instance, little tea tags. I'll wait and see if, can we focus on the tea tags? Can we? There's a quote on one. Are not flowers the stars of the earth? So sweet. I love that. All right, we've got some little multiplication flashcards. Those are cute. We got some fabric scraps. Oh, that's another thing that I'll have on the July 7th sale. Mom made some pennant banners. I have to show them to you, but we've got embroidered ones, and so vintage embroidered on each pennant, and then also the white on white, the lace ones. So I will get those shown before July 7th, so you know what you're looking for. We got some, these are some interesting little playing cards. Flashcards, actually. So on one side, it's like 3 + 3, 3 - 0. And then on the other side is like dominoes with Hershey's Kisses. So cute. It's a whole deck. We've got, oh, look at this little goodie bag. Hang on. Lots of little teeny tiny vintage snaps. And maybe some hook and eye pieces in there too. That'll be fun to go through. Might be adding those into some ephemera packs, huh? All right, we've got some vintage patterns. If you've ordered from me before, you know that all my stuff gets wrapped in pattern paper. And so I'll use the packaging, the envelope to make something, and then I will use the tissue paper inside to wrap my orders. This is really cute. This is like a, oh yeah, seam binding, but look at that. Oh, okay, hang on. Look at that card. Isn't that cute? That's very vintagey. I don't know. I'm trying to get out of the glare. There's a window right behind the camera, which I thought would be good for light, but it seems like it's throwing off the white balance or whatever you call that. Wow. These are some serious studly guys right there. Ha-cha-cha. Look at these cute flashcards. I love these. So cool. Thank you, Mom. Oh, well, if I thought those were cool. What? We're rich in flashcards, you guys. These are awesome. Awesome. Well, these are definitely some of these will go in ephemera packs for sure. They're so cute. I love how tall and skinny they are. Just fun. And then, last but not least, okay, she told me about these. These are several handfuls. Okay, I'm sorry that you can't see these. Hang on. We're really fighting with that light this time. Let's try going this way. There, maybe. Anyway, old envelopes and their first day of issue envelopes. And they're addressed, which is interesting. I wonder if, like, it feels like something's inside, so I want to see. Oh, maybe it's just cardboard. That makes sense. It is. It's just cardboard. Okay, but look at how many there are. So this pile and this pile and this pile. That's a lot. So that's pretty cool. 1946, 1961, 1967, 1956. I mean, this is quite a collection. So I'm kind of excited about that. I'll definitely be putting those in ephemera packs as well. So keep an eye out for those. And that brings us to the end of this Mom Box. That was so fun. Thank you, Mom. It's been a long winter in the Midwest where the garage sales are not happening in the winter, but it's back to garage sale season, garage sale season. So we love that. Well, thanks for hanging out. Thanks to Mom for the entertainment and the goodies. I gotta go put all this stuff away and find a home for it and get back to work on scrappy tags. Hope y'all are having a great weekend, and I'll catch you next time.